Hey, second grade, we are working on complete sentences. The goal here is to figure out which of these groups of words is a complete sentence. Now, get your name on your paper and pause this video when you need to. All right. Hope you've had some time to get your name on your paper. All right, we are picking between these two groups of words which one is a sentence. I'll give you a clue. Sentences usually have a capital at the beginning and they have a period or some other kind of punctuation at the end. So, I have two cousins or two cousins. Which one's the sentence? Circle it, pause the video if you need to. Okay, we'll come back and we're going to go through 1, 2, and 3, and then you'll check and see if you got it right. Number 2, went swimming or the boys went swimming? Pause the video, circle which one you think is a sentence. And number 3, the fair or we went to the fair? All right, I'm going to circle them. We went to the fair is the sentence. The boys went swimming is the sentence. And I have two cousins is the sentence. How'd you do on this? I bet you did pretty well. In fact, let's move on because I'm sure you know how to do this. This says write each sentence on the line. Begin and end the sentence correctly. This first sentence says, we ate strawberries. But we can't recognize it as a sentence because you know what? It's missing a capital letter and it's missing a period at the end. So let's put the capital on this sentence. Put a little space between your words. Remember, look back up here to see the spelling. And what do we need on the end? Well, let's write a period. Okay, we ate strawberries. If you're not done writing this, pause the video and work on that. Remember, I've had a lot more practice writing than you have. And that's how you get good, is practice. If the Seahawks didn't practice every day, would they be any good? You know, they won the Super Bowl, they're good already, but do they need to keep practicing? Yes, they do. So do you. Every day you will get better. This sentence says, the boys built a clubhouse. There's not a lot of room here on this line, but we'll see how much we can fit on here. So I know one thing, to start my sentence, I need a capital. Putting some space in between my words. And then I've got a compound word here. If you can't fit this all in one line, you can write some underneath here. Maybe you can take a ruler and draw a line, or you can just try to write if you cannot get the whole word here. Even I could barely fit it on. Okay, and at the end, don't forget your period. Pause the video if you need more time to complete this. Then we'll come back and do the last sentence here. This sentence says, the goose chased Ramon. So we're going to put a capital for the beginning of the sentence, the, and then goose. Chased Then finally, we've got Juan Ramon, and that's a name, so it gets a capital. And if you need more room, write it underneath here, because I could barely fit it on. Don't forget your period at the end. All right, this is a lot of writing today, but you're doing a great job. So we've just got a little bit more to go. But in second grade, we do a ton of writing. But pretty soon we'll be making it more exciting because we'll get to write a story. All right, keep up the good work.